Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz, coming here from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And as we continue to watch gold, and as to quote Howard Cosell, it's over, and I think that actually the rally in gold is over. Although we're a little higher, I think that overall you can kind of see that gold is running out of gas here, and the buyers are not so hep to run in here. And I think what you're also seeing is a lack of fear in the general global markets. It typically is known as gold is sometimes a fear asset, and without fear, I think that what you're going to start to see here is that this gold is going to go down and probably test those lows from 3 weeks ago. You know, we've rallied 85 points or $85 since the recent bottoms. I don't think we're going to go straight up from there. I think you're going to have to see a retest that low. So although our long-term view of the hard asset of gold is bullish, in the short term here as a trader, we're very bearish here, and we would say let the selling begin, because I think what you're going to see here as well is you're going to see markets that are going to start to take off, and you've now squeezed out all the shorts out of the gold. You've now brought in anybody you're going to, and the last bit of chases are coming here. So I think now you're going to get the opportunity to see a pretty solid drop, and I don't think it's going to be slow either. I think one thing you have to remember about these markets is when they make these big moves, either up or down, they're typically going to reverse, at least for a short period of time, and this is what we see in gold. So we're looking to be sellers. Now again, 1325 would be a level. I don't know that we'll reach that far. We'll look at 1320 and 1318 as well. Those are great areas, I think, to sell. I think your risk reward is much more positive that you look for a little bit of a sell-off as a trader. Again, if you're investing, it's right to go ahead and buy it here because you're going to buy part of it. But as a trader, you want to be looking to take the short side of this trade because there's a much bigger risk reward, much more reward to the downside for now. And then when we get back to those lows, that's where you'd probably look to be a buyer. But overall, we're looking for some selling here. We're looking for some pressure, and you can just see by the lack of volume, the lack of overall interest now, that gold should be headed lower, and that's the way I see it. This is Todd Horwitz, coming to you from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.